here, when that's the sun, it pops out from the fire. It's called solar flares. And okay, next is Mercury. So it's made of, it has no core, but it's too small. It's a bit bigger than the Earth moon. And it's smaller to Venus and the Earth. And Mars looks bigger to it. Okay, next is Venus. It's the second planet from the sun. It's almost the size of Earth, but it's a little smaller. So it has the clouds, and you can create a giant blanket on Venus, so it's not 100 degrees. It's covered with volcanoes and has lava, so you cannot visit there. It's too hot there. Next is Earth, so it has its own moon named Luna. It's his nickname, and his real name is Moon. Next is the Moon. It orbits the Earth. It's the natural satellite of Earth, so that's why it orbits every moon, just like every moon that orbits, like in an orbit. So that's like this, like planets does orbit the sun. So it has got the Goldilocks zone. This is land. This is water. Finally, we have Mars. So it's the red planet because it has much odd content. Because it's the red planet. It looks smaller to Venus and the Earth, but it's larger than Mercury. It's cold and rocky with a thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide. There's water on Mars. So that's it. Ceres is the smallest dwarf planet. It's the closest dwarf planet to the sun, located in the asteroid belt. This big rock's made of between Mars and Jupiter, so it's the smallest of the dwarf planets. It's so small. And a spacecraft called Dawn just flew past by it, just like Vesta. So this is Jupiter, and this is the great red spot. It's made of hydrogen and helium, and all the rest is made of glass. So Saturn. Next is Saturn. Hey, will you please stand still? Will you please stop? Okay. Saturn spins on its side right here, just like Jupiter does, and Uranus, Neptune, and Earth. Uranus, and it has pretty rings. Uranus is the pretty planet. Looks like a Neptune because it's the same color blue, and it's the coldest planet. So Neptune's the 8th planet from a star because it is so far. So you cannot see Neptune, it's so far. So it's really far because when it's close to the sun, it might be hot. That's why it's far. So this is the Pluto. Pluto is the North planet. Why? I shouldn't say planet. I should say dwarf planet. Pluto is the second dwarf planet. So it's the farthest from the sun. Will you please stop moving? And so Pluto is next right to Neptune and Haumea. So that's why it's in the Kuiper belt with all the asteroids. It has and his moon is named Charon. Haumea looks like a potato or football, or egg. So that's why it spins really, really fast. Just like a spinning diamond. And and Haumea is really cold. You can need your jacket, or you could make things to go to Haumea. Here's Maki, because Maki spins. So that's why it's necessary to Haumea, because it's necessary to Eris. So it's like Eris is is right here. So that's why it's that far from the sun. So that's why it's Maki. It's right here. That's why Maki spins just like Haumea. And Eris spins like Maki because it spins that way. It spins the other way than Venus. It spins upside down. Eris is the biggest dwarf planet. It's smaller to Saturn and Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. So that's why it spins that way. But it almost spins side of Maki, Haumea, and Pluto. So that's the end. Subscribe. See some more Micah shows. Please subscribe.